Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success while others struggle? The answer is simple, bro. It lies in the energy that you put out into the universe. Look, the universe is like a mirror. It reflects back any energy that you emit. So when you radiate positivity, you attract positivity. And that goes to experiences, opportunities, and everything else. But when you're consumed by negativity, you'll find yourself surrounded by setbacks and extra challenges. It's unnecessary, you know. Negative energy is a vicious cycle, bro. It feeds on itself, it grows stronger, and it gets more and more destructive over time. It's like a black hole. It sucks in everything around it, and it leaves nothing but darkness and despair, bro. But look, there's hope. You got the power to break free from the cycle, bro. And all you gotta do is consistently be consciously choosing to focus on the positive, and you can change your course of life. It's not that hard. You simply have to change your mindset. Start by recognizing the good in every situation, no matter how small. Celebrate your achievements and express gratitude for the blessings that come into your life. You got to surround yourself with people that are positive, who inspire you and uplift you, bro. Now look, as you shift your mindset, you'll notice a change in the energy around you. More opportunities, they're going to start to present themselves to you. Doors that were closed, ready to start to open up, you know. And this is just like something that you have to do ultimately if you want to change the energy that is being presented to you on a daily basis. So look, you want to remember this. The universe is always listening. It responds to your thoughts, your actions, your emotions. So you have to make a conscious effort to radiate positivity as much as you can, and watch as the universe starts to reward you, bro, with the abundance of different things like success, just anything in general that you want, you know. And it's time to take control of your energy, bro. So you need to embrace positivity and let go of the negativity that's been holding you back. The universe is waiting for your call. So what are you waiting for? The power is in your hands. Change your energy, change your life, and watch. The universe, bro, it's gonna start to align in your favor. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. It's your boy, Axe. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And be sure to come back for more good vibes. I'll catch y'all next time.